I'm really looking forward to this becoming just a journey into being amazed at how versatile
The
Reuben ingredients are. I don't even really like Reubens.
Well, hello and welcome to
Hi.
special Thanksgiving style Will It Reuben
It's time to give thanks,
to Reubens
and I'm thankful for Reubens.
and Relinto for making Reubens into things that shouldn't be Reubens.
A simple suggestion becomes a question, becomes a lifelong pursuit.
Will it Reuben?
Will it?
Could it Reuben? Will it Reuben?
I don't know. We should find out.
Should it Reuben?
Let's Reuben it.
What do we have?
And we have...
Jesus.
Green bean casserole.
Green bean casserole Reubens.
I do just want to say, before we get too far into this, that I'm loving how you're embracing the spirit of Will It Reuben, because...
I think it's time for an iffy one.
Will It Reuben green bean casserole? I don't know. Right, while I taste this and think about it long and hard, what's going on in here?
Long and hard.
Okay, so similar to everything I've tried to Reuben so far, I've never actually made a green bean casserole before because that's Guana's area of expertise. So I looked up a recipe, but also just like kind of added stuff to it like how he does. So I did like some onions, sauteed those up with some flour and butter, and then I added in the cream and mushroom soup, the green beans, and then I added in the corned beef, the sauerkraut, and the Swiss cheese and some cheddar. Just kind of mixed it all together.
I love it.
Also, the Thousand Island is in there too with that mixture. Then I put it in the casserole dish, and then I put the fried onions on top with a little bit more cheese, cheddar and Swiss.
Okay. Well, I got a lot of surprise thoughts on this, but let's go by the book, okay? We got rules.
Rules.
So we do have to look at, okay, texture.
Negative.
This is did not Reuben
Ghost Rider.
texturally. But to be fair, I mean, if it did, it would probably be gross, right? Like,
I'll give the crunchy, like the onions do handle the crunchy bread part, but like the soupy vomit type texture is not present in most Reubens.
I would say at best, it's a very sloppy Reuben.
Yeah, it's a sloppy Joe Reuben.
It's like, yeah, if you were like, let's have a Reuben, and somebody just went way overboard with Thousand Island.
Where they worked in a lunchroom.
But if you had to have a Reuben, you can spoon. So,
I mean, but like truthfully, I like it. It tastes really good.
yeah, I got ingredients.
Kind of tastes like crystal. If somebody turned a crystal into.
Dude, for real though, it does kind of taste like it's like crystal casserole with green beans in it.
It's like somebody deconstructed a crystal.
Ingredients wise though, it does have everything there.
With
There's
the
not
addition.
really like rye bread if you want to count that, but everything else is there. I thought about like toasting a piece of bread and like grating it on top, but you know.
I love green bean casserole, so I feel like I'm a biased when it comes to this particular dish.
I'm alright with green bean casserole, but I do have to say, it is kind of impressive how I do taste the Reuben ingredients.
Yeah, I was worried I didn't put like enough Thousand Island in it, but I also didn't want to like.
Yeah, I cooked that in
I
real
don't
quick.
know. Yeah.
It's like a little,
Yeah.
it's like a hint.
Oh.
Yeah.
It's like
Oh.
There's about like a fourth of a cup of Thousand Island in there.
you're like eating it and you're like, oh, I can definitely tell there's cream mushroom soup, and then it's just like Thousand Island. I'm gonna say yes on the ingredients.
Yes.
I'm gonna say yes plus
Yes. Yeah.
because it has the ingredients
plus green beans and
plus a green bean casserole.
soup.
Flavor profile's tricky.
Thanksgiving.
It's like
It's like a crystal.
It does. It tastes like a crystal. It tastes like crystal with green beans in it.
It does.
I'm honestly, like, I keep being surprised by what Reubens, like, and how well. This one, I was like, this is not gonna be good, but
It's pretty good.
This is by far the most interesting.
I have to,
Like-
okay, I will say, Dies Often said it was gonna be good, and I was like, I don't think so, but he was
nailed
right,
it.
it's not bad.
This is very good. I feel like it doesn't so much taste like a Reuben, but it's like Reuben inspired.
Something you get at a Reuben restaurant that also serves green bean casserole.
Honestly, yeah, this does seem like a place. This seems like a dish you'd eat on vacation in one of those restaurants where you get like drinks out of mason jars.
Yeah.
Where they're like, Reuben green bean casserole. And you're like, what the f? So you order it because you're on vacation. And then you're like, you know what? You know, it's like...
pretty good. I was going to eat McDonald's later.
Delicious. Okay, so taste. I'm not even going to ask that.
They've already eaten it.
I wasn't expecting to enjoy this. It was kind of I appreciated the joke when I was handed the dish, but I would like very much eat like.
Yeah. You like take this to a family thing.
I want this recipe. I want to make it for like Easter or something.
Oh my god.
Just like show up with it. And every now and then you get like a little just bit of like meat. I'm a huge fan.
Yeah, this is really good.
You notice this game is a real surprise to me because who on earth would have thought Reuben green bean casserole?
Unless they
If only you could have also had that same experience.
Mackie.
Mackie.
Motherfucker 2K.
But no, I'm stalling at this point because I'm gonna finish this because this is really good. The crystal thing's on point.
Yeah.
It straight up tastes like a crystal. It's amazing.
It's wild how much it tastes like a crystal. Like, what even makes a crystal taste like that? What's on it?
Bravo.
Well
man.
done.
Just the idea, the execution, I was truly taken off. I mean, by the time it's done, I can be like, oh, it's a casserole.
Yeah.
Reuben casserole. I wonder what that's going to be all about. There's green beans in it. Like, well, now that it's all been eaten.
The quintessential question: did it, Reuben?
Yeah.
Yeah. It
did,
did,
Reuben.
Reuben.
Really well. Remarkably well. I'm gonna say this on camera. When the recipe thing comes out of this, honestly try it. Like, it's linked somewhere in this. If it's not linked before now, I've linked it at this point. Try, this is, it's bananas.
You know Thunderfoot's gonna do it.
I am hardcore taken aback.
You know Thunderfoot's gonna
Me
do it
too,
and then
yeah.
add something else crazy to it.
And I can't wait. Add us. Like, tell us in the comments what you've added to your Reuben green bean casserole. It's just so ridiculous. Oh, God. Delicious, though.
Well, she was like, I don't know what to do
I'm
for
blown
dinner.
away.
I was like, I'm probably gonna just eat this for dinner.
But we do in fact have corned beef thanks to Killer Ball. So he stopped at the store on his way home.
Killer
Oh, yeah.
Ball, stepping it up.
Killer ball.
Save the day.
I once had a Reuben in a green bean casserole. This was highly successful. I'm shutting this down. That was amazing.